print the label, and then with the applicator, we put it on your product. So we can put it over the corner, we can put it, you know, top out and everything else.
MacLeod has got the solutions.
Or the next one would be, if you have some chips, you cannot really push it.
Right. This is air, right?
You blow it. Yeah?
Oh, I didn't do that. How about I go again?
You blow it on. So it's safe
So
for your
cool.
products that you don't crush them.
So cool.
Yeah.
That is the horizontal.
The HS120, 120 millimeters. We also have it in the 60 millimeter and 180 millimeter. Basically, 4, 6, or 8 inch. The Plus gives you the display. So if you want no display, you can do it, and that's without the Plus.
I see.
HS120.
Very cool.
It has a no barcode, so we set it up so it has one bad bar in the barcode. That one is good. That one is good.
You got a flashing.
No barcode.
Error.
Took it back and voided it.
What? Cool. We're rolling, Craig. Well, tell me about this thing.
So we have the all-new Axon 2 tube labeling. Very easy to use. Put that in, get it outside of the black spacer. Press the button. Applies the label.
Magic.
Drops it in the tray.
Magic.
That is nothing easier.
That is so cool. Everybody has to buy at least one of those.
That's right.